Mushrooms. I love mushrooms. A lot of people don't, but if you do, here's the cool thing about mushrooms. They have a fiber called beta glucan in them. And this type of fiber can stabilize blood sugar. It can help lower cholesterol. It helps fight inflation. And some of the key molecular ingredients in mushrooms can help fight cancer, and they also help boost immune system. So some of my favorite ones that I can usually find them dried, are shiitake mushrooms. So shiitakes, you can find them in the grocery store sometimes, but I get them dried, and that way I can always have them on hand and rehydrate them really quickly. And you can actually find them in the Oriental section of the grocery store dried, or you can order them online dried. And that's a great thing to have on hand. Maitake is another one. Those are not as easily found in your grocery store fresh. Shiitake, maitake, and reishi. Now, reishi are not something that I've ever found fresh in the grocery store. So there are supplements, yes, of course, for mushroom extracts. And one of the really powerful ones for cancer is turkey tail. So if you're fighting an immune system issue, then yeah, maybe doing a supplement would be great. But I encourage you to start cooking more. You know, you're just feeding your immune system an amazing, amazing food. So get those mushrooms on your plate. All right. Bye for now.